All right, here we go. Let's get into the network. Basically, I'm going to show how I went from an RPC user that which is a regular domain user that had someone like an admin put into their configs the description config area a password. And so you can actually view those through RPC, and I'll show that here soon. But what I had to do to set this whole thing up is I had to come in here to Active Directory users and computers, and I went up here and I added just a domain user, and I called it the RPC user. Where is it? Right here, RPC user. So if you go here, member of just domain users, that's it. However, as you can see, oh, what did somebody take the description out? That's interesting. So anyways, you put a password is like, let's say the help desk decided to help and they were like, well, I'm going to tell another person that I just made the temporary password. So, yeah, temporary password is this. And so I say apply, I say okay, and then you can see it right here in the description. So, okay, cool, great. That's happening. So, but from a Linux thing, let's open up a new terminal. So right here, get rid of this, get rid of this. This is just my VPN. Get rid of that. All right. So if we were to go RPC client and use the user, actually, it'd be nice to make this screen bigger. Can I make the screen bigger? Preference, text appearance, cell space. Maybe it's this. I can't tell. It doesn't really look like it's doing it. Well, that's lame. And I can't do shift plus plus plus. No. Alt plus plus. Okay, whatever. Anyways, let's go to do the RPC client and use RPC user. And then this is where you have to use that percentage. Then I'll do the password. Please don't have this password. And then I'll put the box in question is what we'll do. And then I'll do that. Okay, enter. And then I'm just in. I'm in with a domain user. And so from here, you got a new RPC. So this is just stuff I had to look up. So I'm just going to look for DOM users. So you just look for domain users, and it's just got a bunch. And you're like, okay, cool. Then you want to say, well, I specifically want to enumerate the DOM groups. Specifically, I want like enterprise admins. I want domain admins. Let's see here. What do we got? Admins. There's a lot. But enterprise admin is in here somewhere, and I believe it's like red 207 or something like that. Anyways, what you do is you look that up. Let's see here, and you go query group members of, like, say the enterprise admins, and so it's like a funky number. Oh, I was not typing that whole time. So let's try that again. So we'll do query group members, and then the code for enterprise admins is this. All right, and so there's these RIDs in there. I'm going to try this RID. I know what that RID is. I know that RID's Jesse. So we'll just go ahead, I'm just going to fast forward. We're just going to query Jesse. And then it's like, okay, cool, blah, 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 description. There it is. It's like, oh, crap. So now you can escalate from here. You can be enterprise admin with this. So, yep, that's what we learned today. Please don't put things in descriptions because regular domain users could find it out somehow. All right, thanks, and talk to you later.